Pulling cable through a wall is often a time-consuming and difficult process. I found a workaround using an RF transmitter. In my case, I have a AV S-700. This one's set to channel NTSC channel 16, so it's analog. It has video and audio in. I have a video and audio source here. And I've taken a wire, strung it to the antenna, and fished it through to the wall between the second and first floor. I've plugged a coax cable into the back of the TV, set the TV to channel 16. This particular one, for some reason, works on channel 16. I have my video source playing. Now I will unmute the TV. And we'll go downstairs. This is the wall on the other side, downstairs. This is the other side of the RF cable. And I found that going across where the signal's the strongest is where the wire is. So in my case, the wire is right there. I've made the hole earlier. So it only usually picks up the signal right behind the wire. And there it is. Thank you.